Hey everybody, Scott Smith of Rusnak BMW. Beautiful day in Southern California. Check out this monster right here. What a car. 2016 BMW M6 Grand Coupe. Got this in the black sapphire. We've ordered it now with the black 20-inch M wheels. Check out, I'm going to talk about some of the upgrades and some of the more standard equipment that you get on the 16s here in a minute, but check out that front end. The full adaptive LED headlights are now standard on the 16s. We did the blackout grille with the double ribs there. Nice signature look. And look at that front end, man. Sucking as much air as it possibly can. So let's move around to the side. Now this one was actually a demo that we had here for our general manager here at the dealership. So it does have some miles on it. We tinted the windows. But check out those brakes, those M compound brakes. Just monsters to stop this car. Now, this car is 4430 in curb weight, guys. 0 to 64.1 through BMW. Let's swing around to the back. Let's get a little rev time with Vanessa. Oh yeah. As you can see, guys, this has got the carbon fiber performance tips on here. This does have the M Performance exhaust that we put on this vehicle. So let's go around. We're going to go underneath the hood. Let's do that. Have Vanessa do a little rev time underneath the hood. Let's do that. Let's pop this open. Woo, not bad, huh? 4.4 liter twin turbo V8, guys, putting out 560 in horsepower, starting at 6,000 RPM. And then you've got your, let's see, 500 foot-pounds of torque, starting at 1,500. Hey, Vanessa.
Hey guys, what did you think of the rev time?
Awesome, good job. You are definitely getting the hang of that. Okay, let's check out the trunk. Go ahead and pop that open. Okay, Vanessa, jump in.
Shut up, Scott.
All right, guys, check this out. Lots of room back here. It's one thing. It's kind of a hidden trunk with that sloping rear window. So you can see there's tons of space in here. You can pop the seats down right here, which is really nice with the Grand Coupe, which we haven't seen in the coupes. And there's your gel pack and some tools underneath here, because you do have the Performance Michelins on here. All right, and you can see there's a ski bag pass through. Now, one thing with these cars, knowing that they're a coupe and the background of the two doors, you can see it doesn't have a power trunk lid, which is still okay, just fine. All right, Vanessa, let's go around and go over here and let's show them the back seat. Guys, Vanessa's 5 foot, so we know there'll be plenty of room back here for us. So that's one thing what's nice with this is you've got a lot of space. Still a stealthy height on this, but you still got lots of space for 4 passengers, and you can even have a 3rd passenger if you needed to for emergencies. They do have to straddle the console there, which you can see you got full air conditioning control. Cool. All right, Vanessa, come on out. Thanks so much for your time.
Bye guys.
Bye. All right, guys, let's get inside the car here. Let's do that, show you some things here. Got your massive screen, which is great for your iDrive system. 10.2-inch widescreen. A lot of detail on there too, which is nice. Boy, it does make a difference in this cabin when you tint the windows, I can tell you that. A lot more privacy, and then everything else glows. Check out that headliner. Very nice. Got a nice signature Napa leather going down the center, and you got your Alcantara suede feeling, rest of it all around really nice and soft, so it's a nice touch, definitely. And you know, one of my favorites, obviously, the M Sport steering wheel. Let me just scoot back. Signature paddles. One thing I want to mention, because a lot of people were wondering with the 4-door, what's really the difference with the dimensions. So with this car, it's just under 55 inches high. It's actually 4.8, and the coupe is actually 54.8. The coupe is 54.1. So you're only talking 0.7 of an inch taller. Now, lengthwise, it's 4 inches, just about 4.3 inches longer to give you that extra room. Stretch it out a little bit. It's 197, I think, 0.1 in inches. And then you've got the coupe is just, I think, just a smidge under 193 inches. So you guys, you got some nice custom seats here. Now the one thing we do have is we do have the ventilated seats, three levels here, obviously the heated seats too. So really nice, obviously, with this kind of color combination in the hotter climates around the world. Dual climate control, you've got all the great standard stuff. Now also talking about the M1 and M2 buttons, thanks some of you guys for letting me know. You can customize your different settings here. This will be your engine management, suspension, and steering. When you get that set up right there, as you can see, then you can just hold down the M1 or M2. Let's see if it'll do it. And it saves you for you. So a quick save. Thanks a lot, guys, for that update. I know typically I've been going into the iDrive system, going down to settings, and then going into the M1 and M2, and then looking at all the cool stuff that you can set up here. So very cool. And you can see your we can do your heads-up display, do the M view, which is really cool. So right now you can probably see the 0 right there. It's really cool. Then you can pull up that nice RPM range all the way across there just by pushing number 1, and you can see on and off. So buttons are really cool. You could be cruising around doing nothing. Somebody gives you a little attitude. One button and this thing turns into a monster, okay? And with the stealthier roof line, guys, as you can see, seeing out that rear window, it's a little bit more of a slant, so something to get used to. But it's nice, you know, most of these that'll come in will come in with the blind spot detection, so you do have that right there. One thing I do like about this particular one is that it lights up, lets you know before you look in the mirror, so it gives you a heads up. I know some of our future cars will have the alert in the mirror, don't get me wrong. I just got a car and it actually has it here, so obviously you'll adapt to the future with the alerts in the mirrors. All the nice carbon fiber, guys. We have it across the roof. I'll show you when I get out. And we do have it across the cabin. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna get this set up where I'm comfortable. I'm 5'8", so knowing that there might be somebody sitting behind me. So we'll see here. Let me put this back to navigation. It's always a cool looking screen. We got 20 gig hard drive, guys. So I feel pretty comfortable right there. I'm gonna jump in the back seat just so you guys can see the space. You know, Vanessa's only 5 foot, so she'll fit in any of these cars with extra leg room. So yeah. So check that out, guys. Yeah. So back seat, I've got what, probably 4 or 5 inches sitting behind myself. Definitely you can keep yourself cool. You can see with the rear air conditioning system here, climate control. This one does have the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Definitely very nice. And then you've got your rear shades here. Now you can do each of them on the windows, and you can go do the other windows, and you can do the back. So very cool. Sitting back here, if it's bothering you on a long trip, go ahead and just dial it in, especially when you have the windows already tinted. It's kind of nice to get some serious privacy if you want to take a snooze. But very stealthy, see from the back seat. So let's go ahead and put these back down. There we go. Just one touch on the rear puts all of them down. Storage in that center console. You can see there's definitely a lot there. Throw all kinds of stuff, and obviously a light. All right, cool. I wanted to show this car before it disappeared. It's just got such attitude with the presence with this thing rolling up. So let me just do another quick walk around for you on the outside. Oh, and before I forget, I'll pull out that MSRP so I can show you some of the stuff there. Now, a couple things. The things that did become standard in the 2016 to show you was the full adaptive LED headlights. That became standard. Automatic high beams, which is kind of nice. So if you live out in the areas where there's less traffic and stuff, more, you know, animals, rolling hills, things like that, you can definitely, that automatic is nice, something you don't have to deal with. Enhanced USB and Bluetooth, so now you have the upgraded mobile office. You have a second Bluetooth microphone. You got the Bluetooth sync for an additional second phone, and library browsing with Bluetooth. And the base price only went up $1,500 bucks. Let's go grab that MSRP. Just show you that on this vehicle here. You can see exactly. A lot of stuff's included, being an M6 Grand Coupe. So there's your base price for you, as you can see. You guys can pause this anytime you want. That way you can break down the pieces there. And you've got your driver's assistance. You've got your executive package. And then you can see this, they listed just a big handful, few handfuls of just all the cool standard equipment. So there you can go, guys. 2016 under 130 grand US dollars. Then you got 14 to 20 for mileage, average of 16, and is made in the homeland. Cool. All right. One thing I've gotten a lot of great comments about too is the contrast stitching, which is really nice. A little bit more attitude. You got the M symbol right there in the seats. Also the you can see the tweeter up here in the dash. Ever turn on the system. So a lot of people seem to like it. Yeah, buddy. You got to pull out.
Hey, no, so
the
the
car?
rest of the X1s are going to be on level 3.
Oh no, they're down in the basement. We got 5 of them left, 2015s, and we just got the new 16 and I think a second one. Cool, guys. Sorry about that, but hey, thanks for watching. Definitely, if you like it, please share it with your other BMW enthusiasts. Give me a thumbs up. You got any questions? And remember, if you're looking for a car, definitely let me know. All right, guys, have a good one.